In today's video, you'll learn how to import a PDF into Figma and bring it into your design workflow without unnecessary friction. This is especially useful when you're working with client files, presentations, or illustrations that were originally created as PDFs. Start by opening Figma and heading to your dashboard. From there, create a new design file so you have a blank canvas to work with. This will be the space where your PDF gets imported and converted into editable elements. Now for the main step. You have two easy ways to import a PDF. The first is using drag and drop. Simply locate your PDF file on your computer, then drag it directly onto your Figma canvas. This is the quickest method and works well in most cases. The second option is using the menu. Go to the File menu and look for an Import option, then select your PDF from your computer. Both methods achieve the same result, so you can use whichever feels more natural. Once you import the file, Figma will begin processing it. What it's actually doing behind the scenes is converting your PDF into layers and vector elements. Depending on the size and complexity of the file, this might take a few seconds. When the import is complete, your PDF will appear on the canvas. If your PDF has multiple pages, Figma will usually place each page into its own frame. This makes it much easier to organize, edit, and rearrange content just like any other design file. From here, you can click into elements, edit text, adjust shapes, or move things around. However, it's important to understand that not every PDF will convert perfectly. If the file uses uncommon fonts, complex effects, or flattened images, some parts may come in as images instead of fully editable elements. If that happens, you've got a couple of practical workarounds. One option is to open the PDF in another tool and export specific pages as images like PNG or JPG, then import those into Figma. Another approach is converting the PDF into an SVG file before importing, which can sometimes preserve vector elements more accurately. Also, keep an eye on fonts. If the font used in the PDF isn't installed on your system, Figma may substitute it. Installing the correct font beforehand can help maintain the original look. For larger PDFs with many pages or high-resolution images, performance can slow down a bit. In those cases, it helps to break the file into smaller sections before importing. So to sum it up, you can import a PDF into Figma by dragging and dropping it onto the canvas or using the import option from the menu. Once it's in, you can edit and restructure it just like any other design with a few limitations depending on how the PDF was created. And that's it. Once you get used to this process, working with PDFs in Figma becomes much smoother and a lot more flexible.